Okay, Senpai Android TS7 for switch AHD camera setting or NTSC camera setting. Go to the full menu, setting, reverse, select for reverse. Okay, if you want to the reverse mirror, left right mirror, so you have to turn on. Okay. If you want a reverse line, reverse parking line, the red color, orange color and a green color, so you have to turn on. Okay, if you want switch for the AHD camera, you fix aftermarket AHD camera, you have to choose for the AHD 720. AHD 720 or AHD 1080p, depend on what camera you fix in. Okay, if you connect to the original reverse camera, you have to choose for the NTSC. NTSC, AHD or AHD 1080p. Okay, at the end you can reverse mute on off. When you reverse, the radio or music file or switch off, on off, you can set from here. This is for the reverse setting, reverse camera setting for Senpai TS7. Thank you.